This Cebuano real estate company started with one small project at ngayon, sila na yung isa sa pinakamalaking real estate dito sa Pilipinas. And a little background, Cebulan Master Incorporated was founded by Jose Soberano III who started with a single residual project in Cebu. And ang journey to success niya, CLI focused on quality and affordability, making their projects accessible to ordinary Filipinos. They expanded to other cities in the Visayas and Mindanao, becoming one of the top real estate developers in the region. Today, CLI is publicly listed on the Philippine Stock Exchange and has billion in assets. And small trivia, CLI is now one of the fastest growing real estate companies in the Philippines. And ano nga ba yung matutunan natin dito na entrepreneurial lessons? Vision nila, always think long-term and plan for growth. Pangalawa, quality and affordability. Balancing these two can help attract more customers. Pangatlo, resilience. The real estate industry is tough, but CLI's success shows that perseverance pays off. Ikaw, kaya mo rin ba magtayo ng sarili mong negosyo? Nakakisip Pedro, let's entrepreneur. Kung niwala na kaya natin maging successful sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Thank you.